Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how we can use AI to create viral shots. Have you ever wondered how a lot of captivating AI shots are flooding your social media feeds? Recently, a lot of AI tools have been working on converting a long video into multiple AI shots. If you have used tools like Opus, Video, or Submagic, you must be thinking, what is the magic behind this AI? Today, we will decode the magic behind this using Gemini 1.5. Google has released Gemini 1.5, which has the capability to now understand audio and video as well. So let's see how we can use Gemini 1.5 Pro to convert a long video into multiple viral AI shots. So here is the code which we can use to split a long video into multiple AI shots. So before we get started, we need to install the Google Generative AI library. And once you install it, you need to copy paste the API key. So if you don't have the API key, what you can do is you can go to ai.google.dev and click on get API key. So it would redirect you to the Google AI Studio and then you can get your API key. So I already have one API key, so I just used it. But in case if you don't have, you can just click on create API key and you can create one and copy paste it here. Once that is done, you can configure it and then you can list all the AI models that are supported. So for this use case that we are doing, we need to do audio related processing, right? So for that one, we need Gemini 1.5 Pro latest. So make sure that you have this model. So for me, it is already present, but in case if it is not, you need to go back to Google AI Studio and make sure that you enable it or check if your region has access to it. So I'm using a input video and I'm actually converting it to audio because the 1.5 Pro model takes audio as an input. So for that, I am going to use FFmpeg. FFmpeg is installed by default in Google Colab, so I don't need to install it again. So I'm just using this command to convert my video into an audio. So once that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the file to Google Gen AI using this command, and then I can invoke my model. So I'm going to use this prompt. So I'm saying listen carefully to this audio file and based on that, give me timestamps of where I can split this long video into viral shots. So I have created this prompt and I have given this prompt as input to the model, and this is the output I got. So as you can see, it is giving me information like it has created some 7 shots, as you can see, and it is also like giving information on like what this shot can be. So one of them is humorous, one is intriguing, one is informative, and so on, and is also giving me timestamp, what is an ideal timestamp that you can use. So this is my input video.
Your question.
As you can see, it has given multiple options. So let's say I'll pick the 6th option. So it is talking about bricks and all. So whether we'll see actually if it is matching or not. So let's go to 4.13.
We will see continued competition between the US and China. And I'm going to ask Minister Shankar first, but I'd love for both of you to come in as well.
I thought maybe the BRICS one you wanted the US.
After you, Jack, please.
Look, I think it's important to go back to how it began. The BRICS.
So this looks good. So from this we can understand that whatever it has split into, right? So it is able to do the split properly and it is able to like give me the correct timestamp. So based on this, if I go ahead and like cut the video and use it as a short on my YouTube, it can be probably viral. So that is a quite an interesting feature from Google Gemini. So I'll be sharing the Google Colab notebook link and the GitHub code in the description. So if you want to test it out and you want to try it with your own video, go ahead and try it out yourself. And if you like the content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And for more such interesting content, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you. See you again.